When you walk up to a kid and say, "Didn't I just tell you? How many times have I told you? I can't believe you're doing that again." That should be an indicator that it's working for them. They're getting what they want or what they need, and they haven't learned how to get it a different way. So when we talk about interventions, if the function of your behavior is attention, and you create havoc to get it, and we put 15 people on you every time you do it, what are we doing? We're giving you the attention that you desire. So if you are so disruptive that your job is to remove the child from the class when they're so disruptive, absolutely, go ahead. Remove the child from the class. This is not a time for the child to receive counseling. This is not a time for you to be playing a game with them or talking about the hardships of their life. This is a time when they get removed. They're sitting there. They're not getting a lot of interaction. Perhaps they have to do a task, whatever it might be, and we're just riding that out. They need the counseling, the attention, the conversation, but your timing is everything. If you do it as a result of a difficult behavior, you're reinforcing that behavior. You know the child has issues, trauma, emotional, whatever it might be, but your timing is everything. That's hard to do, isn't it? It's hard to just have a child sit there when you've removed them from class and not engage with them. As soon as you engage, though, you fed right into that.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.